Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect and use the Aliexpress with TikTok Shop to streamline your dropshipping business. Let's jump right in. So before anything else, make sure that you have an active seller account on both TikTok Shop and Aliexpress. Then here, complete any required registration, verification, and store setup steps. Then, once that's done, do and go to your TikTok Shop Seller Center and head to Settings or Account Preferences. Look for an option like Manage Integrations or Connected Apps. Then, to find a dropshipping platform, inside the integration section, search the dropshipping platforms. For this tutorial, we're going to use a CJ dropshipping as an example. Then here it offers an automatic listings, seamless order fulfillment, and 24/7 support. Then here install the CJ dropshipping app and grant authorization to link your TikTok shop and AliExpress account. Make sure that all necessary permissions data for sharing. Then head over to the cjdropshipping.com. Then here sign up and complete the integration with both platforms. Once connected, your product's orders or fulfillment process will sync automatically between AliExpress and TikTok Shop. Now you can browse with the AliExpress products inside the CJ dropshipping and push them directly to your TikTok shop with ease. This integration helps you to manage everything from one place, saving you time and boosting efficiency. And that's it. You're now ready to connect and use AliExpress with TikTok shop like a pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.